So, welcome. This will be a wee short video. I've got my 2007 Nissan Elgrand here, and these are the standard wheels. Well, in actual fact, I don't think they're standard wheels, I think they're shorter. I think they're 16 inch, and they came with the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these wheels, which I have, which are 19 inch, they're black. They're in pretty good condition actually, but I'd like to get them a different colour. So I'm going to take them down to a wee shop next to me to get the wheels refurbished, see how they look, and I'll get them to stick on 4 new tyres. Quite big, these tyres, so they are 245 by 40 by R19. So I'm just going to take them down to my local wheel refurbisher and get them changed in colour. There are a couple of wee marks here or there, not many to be fair. There are a couple of wee scores here, but I'm sure I'll be able to get them out. So let's get them in the back of the Elgrand and take them down the road. So here we have wheels back from the wheel refurbisher, slightly different colour, looks pretty good. Got new tyres on it, so quite happy with them. There's some centre caps to go on there, and we'll put them on in a sec. Yeah, pretty pleased with that, and that's what they look like from the back end. And what I'm going to do is put a wee bit of wheel wax on there. The dog hairs everywhere, just to stop these from rusting or getting a bit tarnished, but nice. So got a wee bit of wax on that just to save them. God, quite a lot of weights on that, aren't they? Gee whiz. Okay, so this is the wax I use for the alloys. Poor Boys World wheel sealant, and it's a nice pink colour. And all I'm going to do is put a wee bit just on here, just to make sure they don't go rusty. And I'll put a wee bit on the inside of the barrel. To change my camera there, that one went flat on me. So just a wee bit of wax on this inner part of it, nothing too heavy. So we'll do that with the 4, put that wee wax on them just to try and protect them. Socket. Don't know how tight these are. Not too bad. So fitting these wheels, you need to fit these small spacers. Could probably do with new ones of these, so I have ordered some, and that kind of fits in the wheel, if I can see it upside down, like that, and here, like that. So I'll get some more of them, I think. These take different nuts. I think they're still 20 enough. They're smaller. I don't think we can get the original nuts on. So I'll put these ones on. This is one of these daft wheel locking nuts, which I don't really like. So I think these are smaller. They're 19, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think they're 17. I bet that's a different size. Yep. That's a 20. In fact, that's two different sizes. See that? So the only thing with these nuts is they're quite tight to the alloy in there. So I should really use these plastic covered ones, which I don't think I've got actually. Surprised, I seem to have everything else. Right, we'll get them torqued up. We'll get the other three on and we'll see how they look. See what's torques on that. So they're all torqued, and I'll put a wee bit of wax on these, not too much, just rubbing the dregs of the cloth on it. This is the centre caps they came with, a wee Nissan sign in there, and they just pop on there. So get that out the road. Jack down. And that's that. So we'll do the 4, then we'll have another look. yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Look good. Hopefully the camera's picking them up the way they should be. Let's see if we can get a close-up of that. Yeah, quite happy with that. Yes, I had a wee drive there, it looks fine. These look good. That's us outside Raymies garage. Yeah, so pretty pleased with them. And that was a fairly quick video of the day, so we'll just call it at that and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.